Hey everyone, I'm Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Chalk Couture. And today I'm working with a transfer. It's all about that hug life. I think it's really cute. It's an A-size transfer, 5x7. I'm going to use two colors on it, but first I got to clean up the design I had before. It's going on our board and pillar, and I want to clean off the Easter Bunny that I had on it. I'm also using some new colors that I got in, and it's a creamy dreamy, and as you can see, it's really smooth. It comes with a seal, and you take that seal and you put it in the cap, and that helps keep it that way. So I sprayed some water on there, let it soak a little bit while I got the chalk paste ready. And then took the scraper, just scraped it off, and finished it off with a paper towel and a wet wipe. Let it dry, and then I'm ready to start chalking. Now this comes in this plastic container or bag, and I keep this and I store it in this because it's reusable. You just wash it, let it dry, sticky side up, and then put it back on the backer, the shiny side of the backer to the sticky side of the transfer. And mark the back so you won't make any mistakes, because it definitely has to go on the correct side. Now this is raspberry sorbet, and it's such a pretty color. It's kind of a pinkish, a hot pink, kind of. Maybe not hot pink, but it's really pretty. So I'm doing that with the hugs and the hearts, and the rest of it I'm going to do in our bright white. Now I have noticed on our white, it seems a little bit thicker, but it goes on really, really smooth. All of this paste does. I love it now. So just take our squeegee. We have different kinds and sizes. My favorite one to use is a small squeegee. And some of them I cut into halves and even thirds to get into those smaller places. But we have lots of them, so you can pick and choose. All right, now I'm pulling this up, and you want to pull it straight up and slow. In case you miss something, you can lay it back down. And there it is. Now I want to show you, as it's drying, the color changes a little bit. At first it looked like the black was coming through on the hug, but as it dries, it gets a more solid color. So I wanted to show this to you. Now I'm ready to put it back on the pillar. There's a little pin that goes back there to hold it in, but it's pretty secure even without the pin. And there it is. By the way, that goes landscape or portrait, however you want to do it. All about that hug life. Thanks for watching. Bye.